Well, hi there everyone, it's Liz Toon, and today I'm going to assemble a really beautiful and practical and handmade lovingly Mother's Day basket. I've got this basket, I honestly don't know where I got it from, but it's pretty good size. And then I put together this little vase that'll be going in there. It's got some flowers. I've heard of dogwood. These are little dogwood flowers. And these are called, what in the world was it? Tweedia, which I've never heard of. Tweedia? Have you guys heard of that? And then this one right here, I cut shorter and I only put just a tiny bit on the bottom. And these are hyacinth. And then the container came from Dollar Tree, obviously, for $1, and it's pink also. My theme is pink. Then I've got this wonderful eucalyptus bath scrub, which I made. You can see how I made that in a prior video called How to Make Bath Scrubs with Items from Your Kitchen. And then I just recently made this eucalyptus bath salts. That's also, you'll find a prior video on this one as well, and it's called How to Make Refreshing Bath Salts. A lot of fun, one green, one pink. I found this eucalyptus candle at Dollar Tree, so I thought, oh my goodness, well, may as well get that. And then this cute little thing, it's a hinged little box. I just thought it was pretty. There's nothing in it, but you can keep rings or whatnots, little things in it. And then I got a few things. I found this pod foot file, so hopefully that'll work well. And then also this 2-in-1 foot file, all of these from Dollar Tree, all in pink, pretty pink. And then these nail brushes, one for hands, one's for feet. And then the things that I'm going to put in and on the basket, I found some pink decorative shred. I have just some paper that I'm going to squish up for the bottom to give my basket some height. I've got cellophane, which you can also buy at the Dollar Tree. And then I made a bow, pretty bow. I have to fluff it out yet. But it's the ribbon from the Dollar Tree as well. Right here, burlap ribbon in pink. They have it in several different colors. And then this I found on Amazon. It's just pearls, big and little pearls. Lots of them. So this will last me a long time. And I made my bow with my Bodabra. It's right there. One of these days I'll have to do a video on how I make bows with Bodabra. I have a little arthritis in my hand, so the Bodabra is really handy for me. And I left a long piece of wire, I don't know if you can see it, so that I can tie it to the top of the basket. So, okay, so it's time to put the basket together. Okay, what I did so far, I thought the camera was on, but it wasn't. I took 3 sheets of the newsprint paper without newsprint on it, and I squished them and put them in the center. And then I took a 4th piece and just kind of held them together with it. And now I'm going to take a sheet of my tissue paper. These were, I believe they were 35 sheets for $1 at Dollar Tree, of course. We're lucky that we have Dollar Tree. Although, honestly, I think some of the items that you buy for $1 are really not a bargain, but others really are. So it kind of comes out even, and I'm sure that's their marketing plan. It's overcharged for this item and undercharged for this item, and it all comes out even. Okay, so I've got that. So I don't know if this is going to work or not, but I've got this vase. I'm going to call this the front. Probably can't see it very well. Well, I'll take a picture of it when we're done, and I'm going to put that kind of in the center Actually, I'm not even going to put it on top of the paper because it's so tall. I'll put it like that. I wish I had a tripod that was taller. Okay, then I'm going to take my homemade eucalyptus bath scrub. I'm going to put it like that. And then the eucalyptus bath salts, I'm going to put it like that. And as I said earlier, there are tutorials on my channel about how I made these. And then lucky me, finding this eucalyptus candle, kind of put that, well, I can't really put it in the middle, but I'll put it right there. And you know what I forgot? I forgot to put the decorative shred. Maybe I won't need it. I don't know. Okay, so then I've got the pod foot file. I'll put that kind of behind this. There. And I've got the Sassy Chick foot file. They have good products. It's a good brand, I think. Hope you'll be seeing this all. And then the nail brushes I'll kind of put in the front. Well, I don't want to hide my jars. Maybe I'll put it right there. This right there. And then I'll fill it in. Oh, I forgot this. This is such a pretty little thing. I'm so surprised that Dollar Tree had it. See that? Opens nicely, shuts nicely. Maybe I'll go like this, put that there. Put the candle like that. I don't think it's gonna, I'll put it sideways. It'll be more secure that way. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. So then I'll open up the shred. Oh, the whole bag fell open. Now I'll put some pieces here and there. That's probably better anyway than putting a giant amount on the bottom. I'm going to be selling this at a craft fair, but if you would like to purchase it, let me know ahead of time and I'll sell it to you instead. But this, as I said, it's all handmade, which means a lot, I think. Makes it unique. There. Oh my goodness, yeah, that looks very pretty. Kind of behind the camera now. Okay, that's great. I love it, I love it, I love it. So I'm getting the cellophane now. I remember years ago working with cellophane to make Easter baskets. So how you do this is, well, first of all, you gotta find out how to open it, which isn't always easy, but yeah, I found it. So you wanna get enough so that you have a little extra on top. So here we go. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna put this way so it doesn't fall out. Okay, put that in the middle. Needs to be just a little bit more. This is $1, but honestly, for a basket this size, you can pretty much only wrap one. Okay, it's a little bit too tall. I'm sorry. Scoot it over. Silly me. Okie dokie. That way and that way. And where's happened to my rubber band? I had a rubber band. I know I had a rubber band. Well, I'll get another one. So I'm going to cut it. I measured the two sides to where they're approximately even. I'm cutting it. I'm sorry. This is so tall, it's hard to see. I know. Sorry. Okay, I think I got it to where you can see the whole shebang. So I've got, on both sides, I've got kind of leftover cellophane. The first thing I'm going to do is put my rubber band on the top. And going over it 2 times should be enough. Okay, so now this with the cellophane, I'm just going to fold it neatly, bearing in mind that this is the front. And put a little Scotch tape unobtrusively as possible. There we go. Looking good, looking good. Oops, Scotch tape. Be interesting to know what you folks are going to do for Mother's Day. I'm kind of the senior mother in my family, so and my kids always make a nice Mother's Day for me. So this basket's definitely a sale item. So I'm gathering the other side now. Almost done with this. Okay, now I'm going to take my scissors and cut the cellophane down a little bit, and I'm making it even at the same time. And then I've got my beautiful, beautiful burlap bow. Maybe I'll wrap the wire. That's why I like to keep a nice long wire. I'll straighten it out in a minute. Pull the wire nice and tight, and after I get the wire tied on nice and tight, I'll take my scissors and cut off the rubber band. Looking good. Make a little bow with the wire. Okay. And then let me cut off the rubber band. There we go. So really, the last step now is just to fluff up the bow. There's my tails. Oh, it's so pretty. I wouldn't mind getting a gift like this. Be funny if my kids bought it and gave it to me. Oh, they wouldn't dare. Kind of a cute idea, though. So there she is, all finished, all pretty, with some terrific, terrific things inside. Let me know if you want this. And happy Mother's Day, everybody. Ta-ta for now. Please subscribe. I always forget to say that. Subscribe and like if you liked it, and share if you think somebody else would like it, and tell your friends about my new craft channel. I'm having a blast making it. I hope you love it. Okay, see you next time. Here's Liz Toon signing off.